Taylor. I'm the Administrative Director at the Muhlenberg Career and Technology Center. And this week we're visiting the Building and Property Maintenance Program. So let's see what kind of cool things they have to do here.
Hi, my name is Mr. Rohrbach. I'm the instructor for Building and Property Maintenance here at Muhlenberg Career and Technology Center. One of the things we do in this course that's a little different from some of the other classes, carpentry, we do electric work, we do plumbing work, we do masonry, we do interior and exterior finishing. As you can see, this room here, it's just basic framed out. The walls are studded. We don't have any drywall up yet, but you can see we're in the process of running the electric. If we were to install plumbing in here, now would be the time we would install that. Once everything's finished, we would put the drywall up, we would tape it, and then we would get ready to paint. With this room here, as you can see, we're a little bit further along. We got all the wires now run, the drywall is all up, all the corners and seams are taped and mudded. So this room is ready for sanding and paint. And then we can follow on with the floor, with put all the receptacles and switches in. And then this room will be pretty much ready to get buttoned up.
Hey, Mr. Rohrbach, what do we got going on in here today?
Oh, hey, Mr. Kaler. Well, I'm just checking out this room. It looks like we've gotten pretty much farther along. You can see the drywalls, they got everything sanded, they got everything painted. We got a light fixture up, we have a doorbell in. We even have nice floors and all the trim work is done. We even have a baseboard heater. Looks like we just need to put our another light fixture up here, button up the thermostat, and put the door on, and then this room will be pretty much done.
Ready to move in.
Because of all the different skills we learn in BPM, a lot of the students, when they graduate, they can go on to various different jobs. Some choose to go and become electricians, some choose to be carpenters, some students choose to be plumbers, some go on to be technicians at apartment complexes or schools or hotels. This is really a nice career because you could go anywhere in the country and really anywhere in the world and find decent employment. We could even be, depending, one day you might be out cleaning up snow, another you might be outside cutting grass. It all just sort of depends. Some of the students become inspectors, codes inspectors, real estate agents. Some even go into buying and fixing and selling houses. So those are all nice about this program. It kind of gives you that freedom that you can choose. Maybe you're on the fence, maybe you don't really know if you want to go toward plumbing or electrical or carpentry. This is a good class to kind of get your feet wet in all those fields, where if you find that you like one more than another, that's what this class is, kind of gets you an introduction to each one of the trades. So I think it's a great class and a great opportunity to learn. And then one day when you want to buy your own house, instead of having to call someone to come fix a light fixture for you or fix a leaky pipe, you'll hopefully be able to do it yourself and then save a lot of money that way. So it's really a great opportunity, and it's a great career for really anybody who shows interest in it.
So if you'd like a chance to use some of these tools or to learn about some of those trades, why don't you come out to BPM here at RMCTC and check out some of the cool things we do here.